But then let's move on to Shweta meme, which also trended on Twitter, and it trended for quite a long time, and everybody bombarded Yashraj about making a track on Shweta. Why not Shweta, Yashraj?
So I am so this party video has just come out a week ago and it is still trending, and I understand that this is a model which is working for me, and I just don't want to overuse it, because the more I use it, the people are going to get bored by it very easily. So if I just keep on making and everything like everything which is trending, and I just keep putting on beats to that, people might get bored very easily. So I just want to keep it light. I have some other stuff which is lined up on my YouTube, for my YouTube channel and Instagram channel, which is original songs. So I would want people to hear that more than this. Of course, this is working for me. I get the most views on such videos, but I just don't want to keep doing this.
Right, and you have around 40 lakh subscribers on YouTube and 19 lakh followers on Instagram, if I'm not wrong. So this is growing with every single second, and this is while the last time I checked it. Is there any strategy that you follow on social media? Do you have a plan? Do you want to amplify it further?
The only plan I have is putting out content which will be the best. So the plan is to, if a new person comes to my profile with who is not my subscriber, who is not my follower, he should he should think that every post he is clicking on my profile should be great, should be the best. So would never want to put something which is average, which I know which is not good, and just I'm getting views on that. I wouldn't want to put anything like that. So that is the only strategy I have. That is why I put content with I like there are weeks that I don't put content, because I'm working on something to make it better, to make it the best as possible, as best as I can. So yes,
And Keshav,
that's the only strategy I have.